Hello, this is Don of These Are Trees Incorporated. We are working on Labor Day because of this hazardous pine tree that was landing extremely dangerously over the street right by a school, the Romoland Elementary School. I'm going to come up on it and just show you how big it was, and also show you how we took it down. This tree is about 40-50 years old, and you can see it from the lean. It was actually cracking the wall because of the force by the roots. And there's the stump, and there's my hand, so I don't know if that helps, but yeah. And then we took it down in one piece. Another tricky thing was there's a power lines and a house right real close to it, within like 5 feet of the tree. Trees Incorporated, so if you see the truck, you know who it is. There's our boom truck blocking the other side of the street. Like I said, it's Labor Day, so we're not going to get a lot of traffic on this road because schools are closed. Most people are off work. We're a little noisy, or I should say a lot noisy, but like I said, we got probably 6 more hours here for final cleanup. And we're hauling all the wood away and the chipping and everything. We're taking it to a recycling center. So anyway, give us a call. This is These Are Trees. We'd be glad to work for you. We are certified arborists. We're also licensed and insured, $1 million policy with workers' comp. So know that, and we thank you. God bless you.